Hello mga ka-trending! Welcome back to ZK Trend. Tapos na nga ang Pilipinas Got Talent kagabi at grand winner nga si Cardong Trumpo. Makikita sa mata ni Donnie kung gaano ito kagalak simula hanggang katapusan na sinamahan nga siya ng mga solids at bula para personal na suportahan. Di lang yan, maging ang team bahay ay grabe rin ang suporta kay Donnie. Palagi nga itong nag-trending sa X. Grabe ang naging pasasalamat ni Donnie sa lahat ng mga fans nito. Maging ang mga ordinaryong taga-subaybay ay na-amaze sa mga words of wisdom ni Donnie at sobrang galing kasi nitong magsalita at magbigay ng mga sasabihin sa lahat nga ng sumali. Proud na proud ang mga solid at bula kay Donnie. Another era of Donnie completed and another milestone unlocked. Ayon nga dito sa komento ng mga netizens sa X, as much as you have shown Pilipinas what you've got, I hope that we have also shown you that we got you. That you don't have to worry about taking leaps for your career anymore because you'll always have us supporting your talents. Ayon pa dito, Donnie, gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Nakikita ko kung gaano ka nag-mature, hindi lang bilang artista, pero bilang isang tao na may paninindigan, respeto at puso. Proud of you, Dons. Mamiss ko kung gaano ka magbigay ng mga wisdom words sa mga contestants. But you don't know how your wisdom words help other people to love themselves. Love you, Donnie. Proud of you. From being doubted at first to proving them wrong and showing them what qualities a real judge should have. You've shown everyone your grit, your wit, and most especially your heart. Horado, Donnie, you will forever go down in history. Our Hora, Donnie, we are so proud of you. You did it. Another era of your career completed and another milestone unlocked. Beyond proud kami sa'yo. Never not gonna be emotional every time his eyes light up. Whenever he sees the fans show up, his endless sincere thank you. Salamat sa Team Live at Team TP for believing in him and supporting genuinely this era. And with that, Judge Donnie's Pilipinas Got Talent Season 7 era comes to an end. Do not you never fail to make me in awe. Words could no further explain of how proud I am of you. You work hard and you deserve it. At yakap nga para sa lahat ng mga bula na piniling manatili at patuloy na nananatili. Another end of an era for Donnie, on to the next one for Bel Mariano at kapit lang hanggang sa susunod na Don Bell.